All right, 9. So let's take a look at 1b. So here we have a cone, and we know that the radius is 3, the slant height is 7, and we don't know the height. So we're asked to find the volume of it. Well, once again, we know that the volume of a cone is equal to the area of the base times the height, and all of that is divided by 3. So it's a circle, so the base is pi r squared, and the height is h. So it's pi r squared h divided by 3. So if we take a look here, we know what r is. We know that r is equal to 3 meters. And we know what the slant height is. It's equal to 7 meters, but we don't know what h is. So we want to figure that out. Well, again, we can just use our Pythagorean theorem. So we know that h squared plus 3 squared is equal to 7 squared. So the sum of the short side squared is equal to the long side squared. So then we have h squared plus 9 is equal to 49. So h squared is equal to 49 subtract 9, which is equal to 40. And so h is equal to the square root of 40. So I know then that h is equal to the square root of 40. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to plug all of that into my formula. So I have pi, I have my radius, which is 3, and I have my height, which is the root of 40. And you'll notice I haven't evaluated the root of 40 yet. It doesn't really matter where I evaluate it. When I leave it like this, it's in it's not an approximate answer, it's an exact answer. So it will actually allow me to get a better answer in my volume of a cone, but really it doesn't matter. You can evaluate it here or here. So now I'm going to bring over the calculator. So again, I'm going to plug in my formula. So I have pi, and then I multiply that by the radius squared, so 3 squared, and then I multiply that by the root of 40. I get my answer and I divide it by 3. And so 59.6, if I look at the number after the 6, it's a 0. So that means the 6 doesn't change. So 59.6 meters. And what is it again? That's right. We've got 1 radius, 2 radius, and 1 height. So meters cubed. Hope that helps.